Choosing quality tools. Have you ever brought a hammer where the claws broke the first time you tried to pull a nail out? Or how about a screwdriver that did nothing but strip the head of the screw? Did you did you ever see a drill bit that is straightened out the first time that you drilled a hole through some aluminum? At some point in life, we all learn the lesson that you get only what you pay for. This lesson is as true for tools as in any other area. There are a few keys to what makes a good tool that are common across the board, no matter what type of tool you are thinking about buying. Start by looking at the tool. Does it look matter what type of tool you are thinking about buying? Start by looking at the tool. Does it look like the toy hammer that you used to pound paste with? Take a look at the brand name. Do you recognize it? Then touch and feel and hold the tool. How does it feel to you? Does it fit you? Hand. Is it comfortable? Does it feel as if you could hold it all day? Someday you may have to look at the way the tool is designed. Does it seem like a good design to you? How about the structural materials of the tool? I- Is it a cheaper, smooth plastics or a thorough textured plastic that won't crack the first time it is dropped? Generally, with hand tools, these are the things you should consider when deciding if is the best tool to buy. With power tools, you start by looking at the same things. However, since most power tools are a little more involved, there are more things to consider than just these factors. The most important variable and the one that you are paying the most money for is the power source for the tool. There are four basic categories of power tools that you will probably be exposed to.